Hi, this is doing an AC charge on my CRV 2016. The AC went from being cold to basically neutral, and the line don't create the frost anymore. So that means somewhere along the line the AC charge in the car ran out or leaked somewhere. So I went out and got this stuff. It's called AC Pro, and it has leak stop in it. When you first do it, you gotta open your doors and windows, and then the next step I found this the valve, it goes onto the low, but before that I have to go start my engine, and this is just to do the first test to see what the engine's at with the AC, to see if I have to see if this will work or I have to go to the mechanic. Start the engine, I have to turn the AC on high, and it has to be circulating while I do it. And then I go back and do the test. Take the cap off the valve. If it was in the red, it would be bad, where I have to take it to the mechanic. On the directions, it said if it's in the white, it just needs to charge. So that's good. And I go to the next step. I pull this off. And I have to take the cap off. And pull this thing off. That's where you leave it on to test the AC. You'll have to shake the can really good. Alright, last step is I took the one spacer off. Now it's primed. Snap it onto the low side, and I hold it straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. And you gotta do it in 10-second intervals every time you squeeze it, and it has to go into the green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we move the can 12 to 3 o'clock, and do this while you're spraying. And then I count again because it's not up to where I want it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the needle's going down. I don't see anything leaking. So shake it again. I think I have to have it to just over 3.1 on my car. Do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to read the gauge, you let off with the trigger and it lets you read it. I think that's good, right? The gauge is in the green like it said it should be, so my AC should be really cold. So the gauge went to green while I had it plugged into the low, on the low valve on the AC hose. I popped this off, put the cap back on the low. I'm gonna go check the AC right now. See if it's blowing cold. She's colder than she was. Because the driver's side was hot and the passenger side was cold. And the driver's side's starting to get cold.